Hey there. Now, after you created your company's account, you need to set up the account settings for the first time. Go to Side menu and go down and select Settings. 1. Organization Settings. You can edit your company email, company phone, logo, website and others. 2. Your profile as an admin. 3. Notification settings, which can handle what updates you need to get notified on, like leave request received, task completed. Also, you can get this notification on email, Slack or push notifications on web. Four. Currency settings. You can add new currency or use the current currencies. Five. Theme settings, where you can customize your theme view. Also, for your employee and your clients as well. 6. Payment credentials, if your clients make payment for you. You can set your PayPal account, or another offline payment method like bank transfer. 7. Finance settings, it contains the design of the invoices and the due after settings days. 8. Ticket settings, where you can edit and add your ticket agents, like the agent who will handle this ticket or group of tickets. 9. Ticket types, where you can add new types like question, problem, support. 10. Ticket channel, how you receive this ticket, Facebook, phone, Twitter, etc. 11. And the reply templates. 9. Project settings, when and who you want to remind them about the project dates, you can set off or on. 10. Attendance settings, which you can handle office start time and end, office opens days and etc. 11. Leave settings, where you set how the leaves counted and number of it for each employee. 12. Custom fields, if you need any extra field in any table in the app, you can add it here. We can help you on this, if you asked. 13. Module settings, and it's very important. It says which function or tab need to view for each role, admin, employee or client portal. Also, we can help you set up your app, just ask. It's free. 14. Roles and permissions, where you can add new role and set a permission for it, like team leader. 15. Message settings, where you can allow or close the chat channel between client and your teams. 16. Lead settings, it's the part where you set up lead source, lead status and lead agents. 17. Time log settings, where you can set up the permission for users to require an approval for their time log on task. 18. Task settings, where you allow to the employee to create task for self. Or you create it for them. Thanks. See you in another tutorial videos.